Assalamu alaikum students and parents. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your teacher Miss Sidra and this is your English period. What date is today? Today is 17 January 2022 and what day is today? Today is Tuesday. Assalamu alaikum students and parents. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your teacher Miss Sidra and this is your English period. Today is 17 January 2022 and Tuesday. We are going to learn about the line concept. What is the name of this line? Standing line, sliding line and sleeping line. Standing line, sliding line and sleeping line. Okay, what is our topic today? Today's our topic is alphabet N. Do you know what is the sound of letter N? No, it's the sound of letter N. Okay, we are going to read the vocabulary words. Nose, nail, necklace, neck. Okay, we are going to write letter N with correct formation. Okay, how many lines here? 4. These are the 4 lines. First line name is skyline. What is the name of second 2 lines? Cross line. And what is the name of last line? Root line. Open your English workbook. We are going to write letter N with correct formation. Open workbook page number 4. We are going to write letter N with correct formation. This is your letter N. We are going to write letter N. Make a straight line. Then again make a straight line. Make a sliding line. We are going to write letter This is the tracing and we are going to write letter N. Make a straight line. Then again make a straight line. Make a sliding line. This is the correct formation of letter N.